In this first lesson, we're going to be going over the setup process for our project files. So we're going to be in the lesson 1 start. This will include the rig, the couple of game objects that are going to be serving as our enemy characters, along with the basic level that we have here. So in the lesson 1 folder, you're going to find this package here. So let's go into the lesson 1 folder. There is the Unity package. If you double click it, it's going to open up in Unity, and it should include everything that we have here. Now, if you're coming off the Weapon Mechanics Fundamentals course, this rig should seem very similar. It is the same rig that we're going to be using. I did modify the scripts along with the animations, so I do recommend importing these new project files to follow along with this course. Now, this rig is actually attached to a FPS controller. The FPS controller has been renamed to Moving Rig. So here we have the Moving Rig. So we have the arms attached to the FPS controller, and the arms are actually attached to the first-person character as well. The first-person character is the camera itself, so whenever we move the camera, it's going to be moving the rig as well. The rig has been renamed to Rig Handgun. There are some changes to the script itself, namely the iron sights function. I use a local position instead of the transform.position. This will allow us to move with our rig and still be able to use the iron sights function as well. Now, to give this a quick test, let's hit play. You can see I can move around with my rig. I can still shoot. The bullet holes appear, and they do disappear after about 3 seconds. There is a script applied to that prefab. Press R to reload. I can look down the iron sights of my weapon and still shoot. And you can move around using the WASD keys. If you want to jump, you can press the spacebar. So those are the main changes. Once again, I recommend importing these new project files if you are coming from the Weapon Mechanics Fundamentals course. There are some changes to the animations. I did include some new animation events. There are some slight changes in our shoot script as well. In our next lesson, we're going to be going over the crosshairs.